Think you need to spend over $100 to get a solid mechanical keyboard? Think again. I've found 5 mechanical keyboards under $50 that actually feel premium, and your fingers will thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kintro. Whether you're gaming, working, or just want a better typing experience, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 mechanical keyboards under $50 that deliver a premium feel without the premium price tag. Let's get started. Number 5, the Redragon K552 Kamara. It's compact, heavy-duty, and uses Udamu blue switches for that satisfying click. It's a reliable pick for first-time buyers and gamers. Number 4, the Keychron C1. If you catch it on sale, it's a fantastic deal. It's hot swappable, has a clean aesthetic, and feels way more expensive than it is. Number 3, the Royal Kludge RK61. This wireless 60% keyboard is responsive, portable, and perfect for minimal setups or travel. Number 2, the Techwear Phantom. You get hot swappable switches, full RGB lighting, and an aluminum top plate, all under $50. It's one of the most well-built boards in this price range. And number 1, the Epicmaker TH61. This keyboard stands out with smooth switches, vibrant RGB, and an overall premium typing feel. Easily the best value mechanical keyboard on the market right now. Which one would you choose, or do you have a hidden gem you swear by? Let me know in the comments. I'm always on the hunt for underrated gear. So there you have it. 5 budget keyboards that seriously over-deliver. Don't settle for less when great options are this affordable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart tech picks. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.